If you're struggling with a P0300 Misfire code 301, 2, 3, and 4 after you've done a motor replacement or after someone has messed with the airbox and changed any of the vacuum lines, the fix is putting the vacuum lines in the correct position. I always forget this because it doesn't happen that often. I try to remember or label my lines, but invariably I mess something up. And the manufacturer usually leaves you a diagram, routing diagram. You just want to follow that. So I had random misfire on this one, and I had some of the lines wrong because they look like they route correctly, but you just want to follow your diagram, make sure your lines are correct. And if you're doing an aftermarket and you're having these issues, put the factory airbox back in, make sure you have no codes, and then you're going to have to modify or adjust accordingly to account for some of the sensors on the airbox, mass airflow, and so on. So anyway, quick fix. Make sure your vacuum lines are routed correctly. If you have misfire in all or some of your cylinders after you've done a motor swap or somebody's messed with the vacuum lines.